Welcome to my basement where the litter box lives. I used to have two gigantic mod cat litter boxes here that I would have to manually clean on a regular basis. But thanks to this PetSnowy automatic litter box, I was able to downsize to one. Now PetSnowy sent me this box for review. Cats will go up these steps onto this litter catch right here, which is just a silicone pad you can pull out and clean easily, and into the drum. And while it doesn't look too large, it is large enough, especially because my cats can still stick part of their bodies out the side, so they're not fully confined within the drum. And then as soon as they go in, the PetSnowy will weigh and time them as long as they're in there and report to you every use that happens. And then when they get out, this fan right here will start blowing and you can put a scent in it to help deodorize the space. And then the entire drum will spin to clean the litter. Let me show you. And what I love about it is it's non-threatening. It spins so slow that it doesn't scare my cats at all. Now there's nothing really in this litter right now, but if there had been, you would have heard clumps of it falling into the bottom drawer as it spun around, but now it's ready to go for the next cat use. My big ragdoll here is less into it as my other orange tabby is, but he will use it if he must, and that is a win for me as this makes life so much easier on me. And I think once he realizes that his litter will always be clean, thanks to the PetSnowy, he will love it as well. But to show you just a little more about what I love about this, the app is impressive. You can empty the entire litter bin whenever you want. You can run the deodorizer whenever you want. And then it has smart settings. And in the smart settings, that's where you can tell it how soon after a cat is in the litter box do you want it to clean. You can also just simply have scheduled cleanings if you don't want it to automatically clean after each use. You can have it deodorize, and I have the deodorizer off right now, but if I turn that on, a fan will run immediately after the cats are in it. And then what's very cool is you can actually enter your cats into it by weight, and it will track which cat's in it at any given time. And in the work logs, you can see exactly when the cat used it, how much they weigh at the moment of use, and how long they were in it. I am so thrilled with this litter box. I am so grateful to PetSnowy for sending me this, as we've always wanted one and never knew if our cats would use it. And now I know that cats will, especially if given time. There are a variety of ways to get the cats to use it the first few times so they get used to it. And once they do, what a game changer. I work right next to this, so I am so grateful that it cleans immediately after each use, meaning there is so much less odor in this space, and I don't have to think about cleaning it. And because it cleans immediately after use, I am comfortable using just one litter box for both cats, as I know it'll always be clean when either one wants to use it. What a gift, what an incredible device. I definitely recommend the PetSnowy Snow Plus automatic litter pan.